Good morning, my wonderful students. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. First, I will make some announcements, and then I will explain the task for today. Please go to your Google Classroom and click on Cohort 4 office hours. An office hour is when your teacher is available immediately to answer your questions, to phone call, and they will be available for that whole hour. So Mrs. Basili's office hours are on Mondays and on Wednesdays. You can see Mrs. Basili on Monday, Mrs. Basili on Wednesday, and at what time? 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So I will add a Zoom meeting link in our agenda for today. Let's go down to our agenda for today. We can see work from the first week, from the second week, and I will show you from this week. Remember, on Friday, your survey was due. And I received about 3 surveys that were 100% complete, but I'm still waiting for the rest of your surveys. So let's go down to today. From 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., you can Zoom with Mrs. Basili. That's when we can see each other and we can have a good conversation. I will add the link here, and I will add the link very soon. The first thing that we need to do is our high fives. People viewed my video but did not respond. So let me explain. Click on Flipgrid. Miss Sabke uses Flipgrid in her class. I wonder if you've used it with Miss Sabke before. So these are for Friday, the 27th of March. It says, welcome to Flipgrid. You're going to say hello and give someone a high five. So let's go. This is Mrs. Basili's video. You need to watch Mrs. Basili's video. After you watch Mrs. Basili's video, you need to click on the plus and you will record your own video response. Please do that today. Next, the survey. If you have not completed your survey, you must complete it today. The video here will explain how to do it. You must send it to Mrs. Basili. The new assignment for today is actually due on Friday. So you don't need to finish it all today. Let me explain the screenshot and survey analysis. Let's go to Google Classroom and click on classwork. Bing bong, let's make it pink. Mrs. Basili likes pink. Classwork, okay. Now, the classwork, as you can see, for March 30th to April 3rd is the survey analysis. So let's click on this. I have created a document for each student. Please simply fill in the table here. It says write your name here. I will write my name there. Number 1, you must put screenshots of your survey responses. How do you do a screenshot? Let's ask Google. Screenshot on Chromebook. Here, I think this one will explain to us how to do it. Oh, it's easy. Control, screenshot, control, screenshot, control, screenshot. Okay? That is how you take a screenshot on your Chromebook. Number 2, you need a link to your survey. Number 3, answer the question. How many people responded to your survey? Number 4, what was the purpose of your survey? Number 5, which responses were surprising? And number 6, what will you do differently next time? Let me show you an example. This is Mrs. Basili's example. You can see that I wrote my name in the top. Number 1, it asks for screenshots of my survey responses. So I took a screenshot of the number of responses, and then I took a screenshot of question number 1. 9 people said, yes, I have the internet at home. 5 people said, yes, my internet is slow, and 1 person said no. Number 2, 14 people, yes, have a computer at home, and 1 person does not. Number 3, 12, let's see, I went to Google Classroom in these classes. 15 went to Mrs. Basili's Tech, 14 to Mr. Ooze, 13 to Miss Zabke's. I didn't see how many to Miss Rebecca's, and 13 to Mr. Rosenblum. Number 4, I finished schoolwork in the following classes. I see in Mrs. Basili's and Mr. Oo's class, the most people finished work. Number 5, I see the plan, and I notice that the plan is very similar for all responses. Number 2, a link to my survey. So when you click here, you will be able to see my original survey with all of the questions and all of the responses. To make a link, you need to use this insert link. Number 3, how many people responded to my survey? There were a total of 15, and I know that because I see the number 15. What was the purpose? I wanted to know how many students completed work in their classes. Which responses were surprising? To me, it was surprising that few people completed their math classwork. Come on! Number 6, what will you do differently next time? Next time, I will write my survey in multiple languages so that all students understand. So as you can see, this is an example of your survey analysis. Please complete your survey analysis by Friday, April 3rd. You see, it says due April 3rd. So you have all week to finish your survey analysis. Bring your questions to me tomorrow morning from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and we'll have a wonderful conversation. I know that a lot of people have been doing their typing and I love it. I am so proud of you. I will talk with you very soon. Bye-bye.